Name the states of India. What is Chat GPT? How Chat GPT works? How to use Chat GPT for the very first time if you are a beginner? Will it replace humans? You have lots of questions on your mind. At the end of the video, you will have a clear idea about how ChatGPT works and how to use ChatGPT for the very first time as a beginner. So let us look out what is ChatGPT. GPT, short term for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI to generate human-like text. It will generate responses to the user input in real time. In simple words, it's just like you are having a conversation, normal conversation with the computer. So whatever question you ask, immediately the system will respond to your question and it will answer your question. It feels more natural and human like, just like you are having a conversation with your friend. So let us look out how to use Chat GPT for the very first time. So first open the browser and type chat.openai.com in the search bar. If you are finding difficult to read the words on the search bar, click on the link on the description and press enter. So a new tab will open. If you are new user, press on sign up. It will ask for your email address. Give your email address, tick the checkbox and verify it. Once after verifying, press on continue. So please set a password. Click on continue. You will receive a message via mail to verify your email. So open the Gmail account and verify your email. Once after verifying, refresh the page. So once after refreshing, it will ask for your name. Give name. Press on continue and type your number here. So it will send a 6-digit code to your number. So type that number and verify. Once after verifying, a new interface will open. Press next and next here. So this is how Chat GPT interface looks like. So here in this search bar you can ask any question. So like write 200 words essay on vehicles. So you can see here immediately it will respond to your question. So you can even change the mode here. So this is dark mode, this is light mode, and this is new chat if you want new chat. And if you want, even if you want to code, even you can code in this Chat GPT like code for sum of two numbers in Java. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a clear idea about how Chat GPT works and how to use it for the very first time as a beginner. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel